there, my super scientists. Are you ready to get to work? Our instructions ask us to please watch this teacher video to match the correct moon phases. But don't worry, like we already showed you, you have the anchor chart here. That's going to be a big help. Remember, always come back to this anchor chart and check that you're putting them in the right order. We have names on each picture that also are here. Names on each picture. That will help us put them in the right place. So, I'm going to show you how you're going to complete your Google slide. You don't need your journal. You don't need your pencil. You'll be working on your tablet to turn in your work. Here we go. I've got my tablet ready. And I'm going to click on Friday moon phases. We're working in a slide, so remember we have to come down to the bottom and click on our arrow to find our slide. There's always two options, Spanish and English. You want Friday for English. Here's our slide. To edit, we're going to click on our pencil up on the top right corner. We're ready to edit, but where are we editing? Here's our anchor chart that's going to help us a lot. But keep on going to find our activity of the day. The labels are there, but the moons down here need to be matched. They each have a number. Does that help? No. They each have a number, and that's the number we're going to put in the circle where it belongs. So, big breath. Time to get started. The easiest moon to match, the big, beautiful, bright, crater-filled, what's its name? Full moon is all brightness. Which moon down here is all brightness and no darkness? Number 2. Exactly. So, let me make this bigger so you can see. Wow. Number 2, here we are. I'm not using the marker we used yesterday to color. I'm going to get the pen and get my favorite color. You can pick whatever one you want. That make sure it's not yellow or white so your teacher can read it. Number 2 goes to the full moon. Here I go. 2. I like to mark out what I've already used, so I'm not going to get confused. 2 is already into his diagram in the correct place. After full moon, we can go up to waxing growing or down to waning shrinking. Or I can go across to the opposite. What's opposite of the full moon, all bright and beautiful and cratery? New moon. What does the new moon look like? Not bright and beautiful. It's all darkness, remember? What number down here do you see as all darkness? Numero 8. Nice. 8 is going to go here in the new moon. Mark them out. Adios. Done with the new moon. Let's go back and check ourselves. Full and new. All bright, all dark. All bright? Yep. All dark? Yep. So, I'm going to move up here to the waxings. Remember, waxings are growing. So, if we go from full, and we're going to grow, let's go from new, dark, and grow all the way to the full. And then down here is waning. Now, I don't remember. Is it going to start the banana on the right side or start the banana on the left side when it starts growing? I can check back. After the new, up we go to waxing crescent. On the right side will be the bright banana. Come back. Which one down here has the right side, on your right, bright banana? Number 1 or 4? Is this my right? No, L, that's my left. Ding, 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 ding. Number 4 has my bright banana on the right. So here goes number 4 into the pattern. So we went from new, dark, banana on the right. We're growing. So after the banana, if the lightness could grow more on the right side, which one down here has light on the right more than the banana? Number... What's number? 6. Good job, good job. Check out that 6. The banana grew more on the right until it was the first quarter or half moon. Check ourselves. Up top, banana on the right. First quarter, half moon on the right. We're doing great. So what comes next? Right side half moon brightness until that swollen belly of light on the right side. Check yourself. Is 5 bright on the right or is 7 bright on the right? Bing, 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 bing. 5 is bright on the right side. Put that 5 and we'll mark them out. There's only 3 left. We can do it. We grew all those sides of the moons. We're down to the waning, the shrinkings. So it's full in number 2. Remind yourself, number 2, full. But we got to shrink. So the full moon was so bright it starts shrinking. Which one of these is bright? Just shrunk a little bit. Which number? Right, number 7. Look at that. The banana's gone. It only shrunk a little bit. Number 7 is going here. Look at that 7. Waning gibbous. And let's make sure we're right, waning gibbous. Oh, just a little dark banana on the right. We're doing great. Take a little peek at what's coming next. The darkness is growing. The brightness is shrinking. Swollen belly to the half moon. Shrinking to the banana. We're almost done. 2 more. What number is my half moon? 1 or 3? You got it! If I use 3, then what's left? Number 1. That banana. Waxing crescents. Crescent moon, those crescent rolls, are the bananas. We got them in the right place. Check my order. I've got them all filled in. They're all marked out. They're used. I can even come back here and check one more time our anchor chart. I feel good. I'm ready to give it to the teacher. Always click Save. Patience till all your moon work loads. The bottom tells you document saved. You're ready to exit out and turn it in. Yes, ma'am, Google, turn it in. We've done such great work this week on these moon phases. If you still have time, go find some Pebble Go or Brain Pop moon work. Draw me some more moon phases in order if you'd like. Or take the Brain Pop moon quiz. I hope you also look up at the night sky and see the real moon in real life. It's so beautiful. Tell me what phase you see tonight in the night sky. And then enjoy your weekend, my scientists. I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.